a oldie but a goodie. Welcome back. If you're new, my name is Makeda. Welcome. So the weekly vlogs are back. I am here with a mini update, but of course I have to thank DOSSIER. You guys know I have been with the DOSSIER family forever, and they are sponsoring this weekly vlog. I'm so excited because you know I love DOSSIER. If you have not heard about DOSSIER, you are absolutely new to my channel. I absolutely love fragrances, but let's face it, fragrances are so expensive, and DOSSIER is our bestie when it comes to saving our coins. They sent me one of my favorite scents. This is Floral Marshmallow. It smells so good. It smells so rich. I absolutely love it. It smells like very vanilla and amber, and I don't like musk perfumes, but this is musk and it smells amazing. So there's no markups. They always have a sale, and on top of that they gave me a discount code for you guys. So down low in the description box, you guys will see that I have an extra discount for you guys. Thank DOSSIER. You're welcome. I saw that you guys have been like inboxing me pictures of you guys ordering the scents that I recommend, and my heart is so happy. I love you guys. So keep saving that coin, girl. And news is Rihanna is performing at the Super Bowl. Beyonce is going on tour next summer. We need to save the coins for the concerts, right? And the Super Bowl. So, and we also have to thank DOSSIER because they have sponsored this video, and they are giving us iconic fragrances and colognes and candles for a fraction of the price that you normally would spend. So we have to thank them. And yeah, we love DOSSIER over here. We are DOSSIER girls, okay? You guys are probably like, girl, we know you love DOSSIER, and I do. Let me give you a mini update as what's been going on in my life. I think that's fair, and I owe you guys that. So here is the update. One, I graduated college. I did not vlog, but I have officially graduated. Am I going back? I don't know, because I have a few degrees and I need to put one to work. Two, I have been working for myself full-time while I've been going to school, which I'm super proud of myself. But let's be real, everything is getting more expensive. And in my mind, it's easier for me to make more money than save more money. Does that make sense? Like, if I'm making more money, I can save more money. But how am I gonna save more money if I'm not making more money? Does that make sense? I took 6 months to kind of like just work on things that I have had in the pipeline, and literally it has been so trying mentally, physically, financially, spiritually. So I decided, okay, Makeda, let's pivot. One thing about me, I'm never scared to start over. So I'm in the space of starting over because, you know, when you start something new, no matter who you are, you know, you really have to like start from the ground up, if that makes sense. So I applied for some positions, and one that I really wanted got back to me, so they want to hire me. So I'm in the process of that right now. And I was like in a spot where I was just like, I was like applying places. So I was like applying places to like freelance, because I really do like the freelance work because you're like on contract. But then I was like, okay, because so many people want to work from home, so many people don't necessarily want to do the 9 to 5 and whatever, or be in the medical field, which I have a medical degree. It's a little bit harder to find like those kind of jobs. So I literally pivot. And I was like, I have to get real with myself. I talk to God. Like, it's so important to connect to God. And that's what I did. And I went from having like no one reaching out to literally I had so many offers on the table, and I had to like pick. And that is a testament to God, because that's not me. It just can't be. So I'm in the position of moving into my new position. Has a lot more been going on, yes, but those are like the big things. I graduated, I'm going back in the workforce, and I'm just pivoting in my career. Like, I know what I want, but it's really hard when you're trying to do something that the people around you aren't doing, and then like when you try to connect with people that want to do, that are doing the same thing, it's just weird. Like, I have had like the weirdest connections with people lately, and that just means I need to pivot and I need to sit still and just listen to God and what he has for me, because he's like just revealing a lot, you know, and that's where I am in life. Yeah, so that's a little update. I'm gonna sit down and really give you guys a good update, but for now, that's where we are. Also, I went to New York. Also, I have a little haul for you guys. I went to New York. All of that will be in this vlog, but I really just didn't want to come back and just be smiling and cheerful and you guys don't really know what's going on. I went shopping. I got a few things and I want to share them with you guys. So the first item is this 2-in-1 hair styler. Okay, first of all, you guys know I love curls in my hair, and I have such a hard time like curling my hair with the straightener. So I got this off of Amazon. It was so reasonably priced. I will link it down below. And baby, it literally is the cutest. It's like a rose color. Look at this. It goes all the way up to $450, which I absolutely love. It's so sleek. I'm gonna take it out for you guys. Oh, and I saw this on Amazon. I had to grab it because one side says curl. Can you guys see that? One side says curl and then the other side says straight. And if you wear a lot of extensions like I do, you know you need like something like super hot, because the bundles are thick, babe. They are super thick. And then it comes with a hair clip, comes with a travel bag, which you can use these for your extensions as well, because I wear clip-ins, so I can just put my clip-ins in this as well. And then it also comes with a thermal glove. You guys know I frequently go to New York, and when I do my hair in my previous videos, you guys see that I straighten the top and then I will just like curl the bottom. This is 2-in-1, so I literally do not have to bring a curler, bring a straightener. I can only bring this bad boy. So I'm so excited. I will link this down below. I love it. Whoever thought about this, baby, you are a genius. Thank you. The next item I got is from Ego Official. These are just some blue heels that I picked up. They look like this. I have like a copper dress that I'm gonna do like a look with. If you're not following me, follow me on Instagram. I'm posting some fire looks, okay? I'm stepping in. Well, I'm not stepping. I've always been a fashion girl. I'm just kind of showcasing it a lot more. Yeah, like I feel really good in that space. So I got this. The look is fire. And I can't wait to share it with you guys. Then I went to Ross. I love, a lot of people sleep on Ross. I sleep on Ross as well because I don't like to look through things, but they always have like really nice quality picture frames, and I am someone that loves gifting picture frames as a gift, because I feel like everything is so digital. We have the photos in our phone, but I'm somebody that loves like physically printing out pictures. So I got this, I got 3 picture frames. The first one is a gift. I'm gifting this to someone. I'm gonna like print out pictures with a gift. I just think like when you give somebody a gift and then like you print out pictures and write a card, it's just so beautiful. So this is like really nice and I love it. It's silver and I love that it close this. So that is a gift. The second, okay, so these are mine. So I went into Ross looking for a picture frame for a gift, and then I saw these. First of all, the weight of this is so heavy, and it looks like this. It was only $6.99, and then it has like these like gold little grooves on the side, and it looks so good. I got 2 of those, and they were $6.99. Look at that. And it was $6.99. Aren't those beautiful? So if you guys have a Ross near you, go pick these up. They are so beautiful, and they're so heavy. I have to figure out what picture I'm going to put in those. That is a little haul that I have for you guys. I am literally about to clean up. I have to organize my next outfits for my next shoot in New York. And yeah, so the weekly vlogs are back, guys. Thank you for bearing with me. Life is just life, but I feel like you only have one life to live, so why not like go all out? Why not love your life? Why not take those risks? Why not, you know, because I never want to be on my last breath and then the only thought in my head is, Makeda, why didn't you go after that dream, you know? So that's where I am. Let me get, you know, my stuff ready so I can go to New York and all that fun stuff. If you are new, my name is Makeda. Welcome back. So we are in New York. I'm with my auntie. We are in New York. Once again, I'm here, I'm snacking. We are in New York. We have a shoot. And I wanted to take you guys along with me because you guys really enjoyed the last shoot. So yeah. We're here, what is it? We're here for a fun time, not a long time. We're here for a short time. No, we're here for a fun time, not a long time. However you say it. That's where we are. We're staying at Arlo Nomad. Let me give you a little room tour. They upgraded our room, which was very sweet. So, first you walk in, here's the door, mirror. I had a little bodysuit on. Then you slide the door, it's the bathroom. This is the bathroom. I wonder if they have lemongrass. No, they don't. Okay. Can't get that excited. So then this is the bathroom, this toilet. Then you come over, there is a sink right here. And just a tip, guys, bring a whole bag of like sanitizer and just like wipe down the hotel room. That's what we do. And then Leisha's here snacking. We have a little closet here, a little refrigerator. Oh, we can put our stuff in there, Leash, to get chilly. Then we have a little sit in here area there. We have the bed, TV, little light, and then this is the view, which I'm super like a little scared of because it's freaking high. But this is it. This is it. This is it. And Auntie eating her Power Puffs. You want to sit or what are you doing? Sit down. What are we gonna do for dinner?
That what change?
I have on a little black dress.
I cannot change it. You can't close to me. Go back. Okay, we're coming.
Can y'all see me? So we got tacos. So we ordered Uber Eats. We got tacos. Some green thing. And I requested it. Some green thing. There's nothing.
Something there again.
Damn, where is it? We have to go downstairs and get it. We got rice. Well, this is for us to share, and macaroni and cheese. How are are we gonna eat? Alicia, you should just automatically put a fork in here. You should just automatically put a fork or something. How is this? Don't look like rice and peas. Yeah. Spicy. How's the chicken?
Yeah.
Count one. Tacos. Chaos that's happening here.
When you done? Alright, so put it on it.
This is a madhouse.
No, you still can't go on it. Okay.
Bye, Mom. I love you. Let me give her a kiss. Let me give. Lisha, bye. Bye, Mom. I love you.
Yeah, you baby, hello, phone. Alright, this is.
Money.
And now push yourself away from the wall. Good morning, guys. Oh my gosh, it has been such a long morning, but we are back from New York. I didn't even like get to vlog how I wanted to because the day of the shoot, I literally the time literally just jumped. We had to run to the shoot, and then now we're back in Jersey. Today is Wednesday, so we were in New York for Sunday, Monday. Tuesday was just a lot of like computer work. I had some stuff that I had to do with like pitching and just a whole bunch of stuff. Now we're at Wednesday. I have a dentist appointment